Hey, this is Jorge Amsel coming out here to test out some Tannerite explosives on the new Ton TRX rifle. All you got to do is mix up the powder with the other powder, shake it up. We're going to go down the range, set it up at least 50 yards away, see what kind of explosion we get out of this. This is 2.5 pounds of Tannerite. Over here, we got the new Ton TRX rifle that we're testing out in flat dark earth. Getting sub MOA on that so far, so we'll see how it goes. Go ahead.
Nice shot, Dad.
What was it?
That looked a little high and right.
So
Just a little.
No, give me a couple more rounds. Dang.
Try 4.
And Jorge, you can edit this, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm just going to keep recording. Do I need to throw a rock at it and just solve this problem for you guys?
If you could hit it with a rock.
Saying I can't?
I do really just think that.
How'd that look?
Anything left?
Did you see that log go flying?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.